In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress video on CapCut PC without losing quality. We're going to use CapCut's export settings to shrink your file size while keeping your video looking sharp and professional. This approach is perfect for faster uploads to social platforms and easier sharing without the blocky artifacts or muddy details you sometimes get with heavy compression. Start by opening CapCut on your PC and loading the project you're ready to export. Make sure all edits are final. Cuts, transitions, color, and audio, so you don't have to re-export later. When you're set, look to the top right area of the interface and click Export. This opens the export panel where all the important quality and size controls live. In the export panel, set the resolution to 1080p. Full HD is the sweet spot for most viewers and platforms. If your project was edited in 1080p, this keeps everything native and clean. If your source footage is 4K, downscaling to 1080p can dramatically reduce file size while maintaining excellent detail for typical screen sizes, like laptops and phones. Next, lower the bitrate. Bitrate determines how much data is used per second of video. Higher means bigger files, but not always noticeably better quality. Look for the bitrate slider or field and gently bring it down from the default. Keep an eye on CapCut's estimated file size to see the impact in real time. As a practical guideline, many 1080p projects look great at a moderately reduced bitrate, but dropping it too far can introduce banding, noise, or blocky motion. If you see a quality preview indicator, use it to balance clarity and size. Set the codec to H.264. This is the most universally compatible and efficient choice for web and social platforms, striking a strong balance between quality and compression. It plays nicely on almost every device and streaming service, so your video will be easy to watch anywhere. Finally, choose a frame rate of 30 FPS. This halves the number of frames compared to 60 FPS, which reduces file size and still looks smooth for most content, especially talking heads, tutorials, and general B-roll. If your footage was already 30 FPS, this simply preserves your original motion cadence and keeps things consistent. That's the entire workflow. Open CapCut, enter the export panel, set resolution to 1080p, lower the bitrate to a sensible level, choose H.264 for the codec, and select 30 FPS. With these settings, you'll get smaller files that still look crisp, upload quickly, and maintain a professional finish. Enjoy your efficient exports and smoother sharing.